Hey, my name's Sam Brown, and today we're going to talk about hydrangeas. There's so many different options now. In the past, you may be familiar with just the standard hydrangea microphylla, which is kind of your big leaf hydrangeas that maybe you or your grandmother had years and years ago. They were either pink or blue, depending on the soil. But today there's so many different options that give us a lot more variety and color and size. They fit more solutions in your yard than they did in years past. This one's been around for a long time. This kind of started all the new varieties, the Endless Summer Original. As you can see, this one is blue. It could be pink, just depending on your soil, whether it's acidic or basic. What's really great about these versus the old-fashioned hydrangeas is these will bloom over and over again all throughout the spring until the fall. And that's a huge win for you in the yard to be able to have that color for 6 or 7 months of the year, depending on how the cold weather arrives and departs. We talked about the blue Endless Summer Original Hydrangea. Well, here is the pink. Is the same plant. It's all based on the acidity level of the soil. So you can see, don't be deceived by the tag. You can see it shows blue. It can be pink. All right, this one is a proven winner variety that is part of the TUFF series. And this one's called Aha. It's an amazing bloom on here. I don't know if you can see that really up close, but it looks a lot different than your traditional mop head hydrangeas. And it can tolerate a little bit more sun than some of the others we've talked about. This series, the TUFF stuff, do live up to their name. They're more drought tolerant. They don't quite need as much water as some of the Endless Summers. Like it'll take them a longer time before they start to dry out. That was just a little something talking about shade hydrangeas here at Fiddleheads Garden Center. And I'm Sam Brown, and I'll look forward to talking with you next about sun-loving hydrangeas.